morning, I am Mawar, Finance Manager at PT Zakat.
Pleasure to meet you, Ms. Mawar. I support your VAT compliance and withholding tax documentation.
Thank you. How will be your main point of contact?
Our senior associate, Mr. Han, will lead. I coordinate weekly update and document request.